If you shop for makeup, here's an easy trick to repurpose your Sephora bag. So you purchase some makeup and you want to find out, what can I do with my old bag? Well, this is an easy craft project for your old Sephora bag. First, grab a couple of picture frames, 3.5 by 5 from your local dollar store. And then for each frame, cut a section of the bag and add it inside of the frame. With your hot glue gun, take a couple of fabric flowers and attach each one to the glass for the frame. Flip over the frame, punch a hole in each side, and then secure a handle from the bag to each one of the frames. You can hang this on your wall. It's a quick and easy DIY art project to add a little bit of color and also to recycle the bag and create some pretty cute art for your wall. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reeves.
Hey you're missing out. Click subscribe on my YouTube channel. You can also like me on Facebook at Shayla's Creative Side. Happy crafting!